Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sell digital products on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, we're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So just go to the sites you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to Wix dashboard. So once you're here, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections right here. So right now, go ahead and search for catalog and then give it a click. Once you click on catalog, you're going to be in products. So click on products and then here, you're going to find the list that includes all of your products. So right now, if you want to sell digital products, it's pretty easy. Just go here to the top right, click on new product, and then here you're going to find two options, physical products and also digital file. So go ahead and click on digital file and then just wait for this page to load. Once here, make sure first of all to upload the file right here. So just click on upload file, then choose if it's an image, audio file, document, or a zip file. And then scroll down right here to the basic infos. Make sure you add a name for the product. Here you can add a ribbon. You're going to find the description. Make sure you give it a good description. You can also generate the description with AI. And once you finish, just go ahead and click on save, and then your products will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.